Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Salahgic and 5-pillar practice. Today let's talk after prayer hugging at home. So one of our focuses in this time of disrepair, disunity, and disharmony is to shift the ummah to a healing paradigm, which is implicit and hidden within our traditions. It's within the Quran, it's within the Hadith, healing related to wholeness, to whole making. So one of the ways that we need to focus on healing is the healing of the heart, healing of our marriages, healing of our families, and healing of the ummah as a whole, as well as to heal all of the world, inshallah. So let's start thinking practically about what this might mean, because we need to heal from all of our traumas very quickly, inshallah. Much can be done rapidly through the Tawbah and Tazkiyah process. But let's think about using every aspect of our daily life toward healing or whole making. So after we pray, imagine that we pray with our wife. It's like late night prayers, or with our husbands. So now we've prayed together. We've got the husband as the imam, and his wife has his back. Maybe his wife prays adhkar over him afterward, and to bring them closer together. After they complete their prayer, they hug, they connect, they share the energy in the moment, the beauty of the prayer. Also, when we're praying together as a family and the little ones are around, even before they're of prayer age, they're seeing mom and dad pray together, and their harmony and the beauty and the excellence of it, inshallah. And then as they get older, they join the prayer lines together as a family. And afterward, there is everybody hugs each other. Dad and mom hug, and they show healthy intimacy and family connection. They model that for their children, and they hug each of their children and bless them. This is a chance to come together as a family, to harmonize with our family, to work through problems. Maybe we have a conversation afterward about something that we've been struggling with as a family and how to do things better, because sometimes Allah will show us things in sajda, after we complete our prayer. So let's just think about how we can use the after prayer hug as a way to bond and harmonize and heal the family unit, to heal the marriage, to heal the family, to bring together our children and bless one another. And this is also, it's creating an imprint, a psychological imprint. So for the rest of their lives, our little ones, if they experience this love within the family, this harmony within the family, they are always going to associate this family intimacy with intimacy with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And this will be a beautiful way of connecting to prayer. It will have a positive association. And we want to have positive associations with prayer. Anything that our children are going to need to do for the rest of their life, whether it's washing dishes, making the bed, praying, we want to have the most positive associations. We also want to model the most excellent behaviors as couples, as married couples, for our children. So this is a very practical way. It's practical, prophetic problem solving. And we can find precedents for this within Hadith and within the tradition. So just consider the benefits of hugging and connecting after prayer, and how this can help us to heal as an ummah, inshallah. So until next time, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.